Hello and welcome back to Black Women Obesity TV. This is Nutritionist Rob. I am back. And I just want to tell everybody, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, all that good stuff. So today I'm going to do something a little different. I know last two videos we talked about how they're making black women overweight, part 1 and part 2. We're going to do part 3 next time. I just want to do something different today. And today, I was going into the grocery store, and actually was there with my wife, and you're talking about around 1 o'clock. And I told my wife, I said, look around. Now, after 1 o'clock, where I live, that's when people are getting out of church. And I said, look around. And there was a lot of black women in the stores shopping, probably getting food for dinner. And I said, just look. And my wife said, my God, every black woman in the store was fat. Not one was not overweight. It is so sad on what's going on. I don't understand it. So today, I'm going to show you some pictures, some photos, or maybe 10, 12 pictures that I compiled a long time ago. They're actually hard to find, of black women in the 40s, 50s, and 60s. And I'm telling you, I have photos, a lot of photos of people, and when you're searching, when you're looking at images and photos of people back in the day, you can't even find a person is overweight. If you're looking for one, you can't find it. It's incredible how no one was overweight back then. So that tells me, okay, so how all of a sudden in the 2000s, 2010s, 1990s, and 1980s, how is everyone all of a sudden overweight? But your doctor said, oh, it just runs in the family. So back in the day, guess what? There were no diabetes back then. So how can it run in your family? There wasn't any hypertension, high blood pressure back then. So what is all of a sudden it starts running in your family? Give me a break. Now, as I'm running this, I'm showing you these pictures. And just take a look at what is going on. Look at them. And these men out here, you black men talk about, well, I like my women thick. No, you don't like them thick. You have no choice. Because the majority of them are fat. And that's the truth. And I know a lot of people don't like what I'm saying. Bit tough. Because I told you before, 82.1% of black women in this country are either overweight or obese. That's very sad. You see these pictures? See how these people look? Again, I couldn't even find a person overweight. And now you have rich or wealthy black women on TV, and you have people who are on welfare, they're overweight. It doesn't matter how much money you're making. Education means nothing in our community, black community, when it comes to being overweight. From Oprah to people on welfare, it don't matter. So how can Oprah be overweight? You would think that she's not overweight. So she got the same issues that somebody who doesn't have any money has. That's another sad thing. No one is telling you about this problem that I've heard except for this channel. Nobody's talking about it. So now what you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You gonna step up the plate and get this weight off and be a leader? Or are you just gonna just live with it like most of you are? You just live with it. Whatever. I'm overweight. My mother's overweight. My sister's overweight. My sister-in-law's overweight. We're all overweight. And sadly, my kids are overweight. You're right, your kids. When I was in middle school in the 70s, I'm telling you how old I am, there was no one overweight. No one, maybe a couple kids that you would tease was overweight. Everybody was thin. And now everybody's fat. So now you're saying, well, it runs in my family. Well, it runs in your family because the foods are causing you to be overweight. And they know this because they're making money on your sickness. And you're not angry. You're not offended. I want you to get offended, get pissed off, and yell at me. Get pissed off at me for telling you the truth so you can look yourself in the mirror and get this damn weight off. Because, like I told you before, you love being like these Europeans. And they're the problem. They are making you overweight. They don't like you. But you still try to act like them. So when you decide when you don't want to act like them and be black, which most people don't want to be black. If you want to be black and you separate yourself from how they're eating, then guess what's going to happen? Your weight's going to come off. All you have to do is understand what's going on, and you're going to know that by listening to this channel, because I'm going to keep watching you some videos and telling them what they're doing. And I'm showing you what they're doing on these videos, and you're probably still going out and get them. And I haven't even gotten into fast foods yet. Oh, we did do one on chicken nuggets. I hope everybody's watching this. But a lot of you are going to watch this channel, and you're not even going to tell your sister and your brother because you still don't want to talk about it. You ain't going to tell nobody in your family. You're just going to watch it and keep it moving. And turn the other cheek, as they say. What you going to do? You going to do what you need to do, or you going to follow what everybody else is doing? 82.1 of the people out here doing what they want to do and doing what everybody else is doing. Now, like I said before, it's not personal. The people who are not in this position, hold your comments, because you're doing a good job if you're not in this category. See, we believe we're supposed to be overweight. It's the way it's supposed to be. A lot of you enjoy being overweight now. It's just a normal thing. So you just continue to be overweight. You like these pictures, huh? None of these people are overweight. It is absolutely amazing. Well, that's all I have to say today. Look for another video. We are going to watch a video. We're going to continue the series on how they make black women overweight, part 3. So look for that. I just want to do a little something today, a little something different. Enjoy your blessings. I'm out.
Don't you hate it when that happens to you? When it does, you need this and this and this. When it happens to me, I always know where to go. When you've got professionals on your side, your problems don't stand a chance. What are you waiting for? Contact them today and let them take care of your problems.